My question to you is, you believe that Jesus is not Son of God. He is a prophet. Then who is the father of Jesus? And if there is no father, prove it scientifically.
Oh, you want the proof scientifically?
Yeah.
Brother, how simple, very common sense. How can a human being have a son who is a dog? Can we have a son who is a dog?
How can there
I have not completed. Alhamdulillah. If I finish, still you are not satisfied. Alhamdulillah, if brother gives you the permission, you are most welcome to ask. Can we ever imagine that a human being having a child as the dog? Can we ever imagine that a human being will ever coagulate with a bitch, a female dog? No, we will never do. How can the Almighty God have a human son then? When you dislike that a human being can have a dog as his child, do you think Allah likes somebody saying that a human being, an unholy creation, doing so many evil deeds, they become the son of God? Regarding the father, concept of father mentioned in the Bible, brother, the son of God was there at that time, a common term. It is mentioned in Gospel of John, chapter number 10, verse number 30, where many Christian brothers, if they are here, they will know. They quote this to say that Jesus is God, I and my Father are one. But then if you read verse number 31, the Jews, they picked up the stones to hit at Christ. Verse number 32, Gospel of John, chapter number 10, Christ asks, for what crime do you hit at me? Have I not been showing you good things in the name of the Father who has sent me? Verse number 33, the Jews answered, we beat you not, we hit at you not, because you did good things in the name of the Father. But because you say ye are the Son of God, you are blaspheming. You are calling yourself Son of God. So the explanation why he called himself Son of God and why he called him Father, Christ himself gives in Gospel of John chapter number 10 verse number 34. Christ says, is it not mentioned in your scriptures that whosoever shall do the work of the Almighty God are the sons of God? So it was a common term. It was a metaphorical term. The people who believe that Christ is in the literal sense the son of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they made the metaphorical term into a literal sense. That is the mistake they are making. I hope I answered the question.
Yeah, we will